just en route after the new year to the Cotswolds, and we're passing through, as you see on there, Burford Antiques, and it looks like there's a lot of good stuff in here actually, so we're just going to pop in and have a look, and I'm hoping we'll see if we can find some sconces. No wonder I'm making noise. Shame I can't get a wife like that. The thickness of the crystals on some of these actually. These flat crystals. I bet there's a bit of weight there. Yeah, that's £395. Well, this is a spot. This is something we had in the chateau.
It's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The glass in the middle. It's got the screw emblems the same.
Now we paid how much?
€75.
And got it delivered for that.
In Burford.
Yeah. How much
Oh
hit?
my goodness.
Would you Adam and Eve it?
And I took it all apart.
You did. So certain parts we have still got, haven't we? They're in our dining room.
Well, we got the 2 lengths are in the dining room, and I've still
That's
got,
£500.
I've still got that long one to do something with, and the glass in the middle.
We kept the glass in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I should put it all back together again and make a
shop
profit.
Yeah. Fit in a chateau around a nice warm fireplace that's having a bit of a green theme.
Quite like the fireplace actually, the front of the grill over there.
So do I actually, yes.
Oh, and the fender, this leather fender seat, 2,250.
Bargain.
It is compared to the grate that just did 3,000.
Not so much a bargain. just come from Crazy Bear. Poor little fella, there he is. What you found, darling, over here?
I found something ideal for Terry at La Marcel. Oh, and Ash and Tracy, of course, for their salon. Look at these eagle sconce. There's 4 of them.
Oh my word, you never find 4. They are, Ash. You're always saying about that. You never find 4. We found you 4. They're actually really cool.
And also, to go with that, they are nearly 4,000 a pair though.
For 2,000 each. Maybe he won't go with that.
These cast iron eagles, you could put them on top of his pillars. Nearly 900 each,
But that's the sort of money I would expect from that.
they weigh a ton.
But that might
You
be a
never
bit.
ever find 4 sconces.
And you're thinking, there's only 2 there, isn't there? Over on that wall over there. There's the other 2. Food for thought. There's some interesting stuff in there, and a lot of French stuff in here, actually. We'll keep hunting.
That's because all the dealers go off to France with a big lorry and come back with it loaded up.
Well, that's impressive. Look at this old workbench. Cool, I see some jobs, isn't it? Even got a vice on the end. Old traditional. They don't make them like they used to. Price, let's have a look. That does not surprise me. What do we think of that place? Well, that seemed more for your friend.
That was more for Terry at La Marcel than it was for us, obviously. And Terry, if you need anything for your salon, to wall sconces, eagles, mirrors, and pillows, they have the lot.
And
I think they stripped out your salon to be.
Yeah, it's all in there. And I think you said there was something for Ash. Didn't you say those blue things he was
the
after?
blue urns,
Yes. Oh well, happy shopping day if you come over to England next time.
Burford Antiques near the Cotswolds.
Near Jeremy Clarkson's pub, actually. It literally is down the road here, if everyone knows.
Dog.
The Farmer's Dog. Anyhow, we're on to the next port of call. This is so interesting seeing these. When Carol and I first met, her job was sitting at home painting these. She used to get deliveries of say 20 of these. Paint away crazy with a cat actually, or I think back then we had 3 cats or kittens sitting on her lap. And then they grade you, so you get paid on obviously how well you did with the painting. Actually, how well did you do with the painting? We never had any money. Did you paint any of them gold? But it's interesting to see them, isn't it? And actually, yeah, you used to do well from this, didn't you? You were so fast. That's where the painting began.
Intricacy of it.
Yes, detail. Well, there you are. If you're wondering where we've come to, it's the Cotswolds. And in fact, we've come to a quaint little village here, Bolton on the Water. We stayed here before, actually. I hadn't stolen the world, but it's busy. I can't believe how many people are here, and it is freezing. It's a very, very popular tourist attraction. everyone. So what the crew at Lala Cell are busy, as you know, getting the salon ready, which isn't that far away. I'm trying to get some prints ready for, as you know, for the walls. So I've just done some samples. Now Terry's just sent me some better quality samples of what we had before when he first came over to visit us. So I'm just going to do a small section of it just to see how the colour looks, etc., and the quality. So let's get it on this machine behind me, and I'll show you in a second. Right, that's the canvas off the machine. Let's see how it's come out. So I've taken a section which has got a lot of colour on it.
Trust you to choose the booby section.
Sorry about that, everyone. Hang on, his last video I think he was showing, well, I can only describe it as men's bits down the bottom. I saw that last night. So we're back on this. Quality I think will be alright actually, considering you're not going to be right next to it like this. So it's really just down to colour. Well, at the end of the day, why am I looking? It's not my choice. It's down to Terry, Ash and Tracy to have a look. But I actually think we'll be all right with this actually. And when it's full size and against the pillars, I'm sure he'll show you and even you lot can see what you think. But yeah, that is an interesting shot.
She's very muscly.
Is she?
Yeah.
She's big. She's a worker, that's why.
This one looks, she's like she's been on the case and a bit hot and flustered.
That I'm going to guess is his summer. This one, absolutely no idea. Whatever it is. Well, that looks like it's covered, ready to go. Have we got, well, what shot have we got? It's your favourite bit. Oh, yes.
Oh, what I didn't bring in.
You will notice, by the way, our encruster still hasn't arrived yet.
Hence why we can do this. But what I realised I haven't brought in is a clean roller.
To pressure it down.
To go over the top.
Yeah. Use your hands. Improvise. Oh, it would have been nice if you put them the other way. They're on their side. And is it going flat and looks pretty even?
I don't know, I've got my glasses on.
Cool. I think that looks alright at the moment. Looks good.
Let's have coffee and come back to it. It might be on the floor. Like my sample the other day.
What sample?
So I held a sample on the wall of the encruster because I was playing with paint effects. Look, I stuck it up here, came back the next day, and it had fallen. And because it's so heavy, it's going to chip out of my moulding.
Ouch.
So yeah.
Time to get the fillets. So what were you doing on the encruster?
I was trying a pearl.
Oh yes, you can see it in the light. Oh, it's a bit snazzy.
Well, yeah, but then when you put it on the wall, it looks grey.
Not from this angle. But the only thing I will say, that's a lot of work you're going to suddenly have to do.
I'm not doing it because it looks grey.
Okay. Just gold only. Coffee time. Moment of truth. Has it worked? Oh, hello, darling. Has it worked? Pull on her. Give her a yank.
Well, she is.
Is it going to fall off? It's not going to fall off for sure, is it?
I've left this bit loose so I can pick it off.
Well, that'd be upsetting if it takes the paint off.
That's on there quite well. Yeah.
So I can get on and get these printed then for Terry.
Yeah, and it's not dry, so
That's good.
that's still tacky, and it hasn't seeped through.
So one of the concerns that we had on Carol saw it when I first printed it, was it had a little sheen to it. It's just the way digital printing's done. It's to keep the dot nice and small, so you don't get that blotting of paper effect where the dot just spreads out. And we were worried about the shine, but actually now it really has keyed in and dried off. There isn't really actually, whatever angle I come at, because the concern was the lights in the room at Terry's place might shine off. But no, I think that's great. Success.
Yeah, guess what?
Oh, what?
It's coming down.
And that's the end of them.
Oh, that's really gone off quite well now.
Good.
Yeah, it's coming down now before it stays there permanently because it's not what I want on my walls. Sorry,
Oh,
Terry.
I thought it looked really good. So back to work, back to printing.